Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I just really wanted to do a get ready with me video, and I will be using a couple of new products. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. So the first thing I want to use today is my Benefit Hello Happy foundation, but first I'm going to go ahead and go in with a primer, and the primer I'm going to use is the Benefit Professional Matte Rescue Primer. So I'm just going to take a good amount of this and just put it all over the face, focusing in those kind of T-zone areas. I really have been liking this foundation. I just think that you really do need to use a primer, especially if you have oily skin. Now that I have my primer on, I'm going to go ahead and go in with the foundation. Now I'm just going to go straight onto the face with this. This is actually, I think, how it told you to apply it online. And it might look like I'm applying a lot, but you kind of need a lot for this foundation, unfortunately. I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender and start blending all of this out. Foundation is looking good. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the Makeup Revolution concealer. I love this concealer, you guys. I just feel like it blends out so nicely. It has really good coverage, and the consistency is just really nice too. It's not too thick or drying or anything like that. I just really love it, and it's only $7, you guys. So definitely give it a try if you're interested in it. Dab dab. Dab, 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 dab. I'm dabbing away. It looks perfect. I'm almost out of setting powder, you guys. I need to get some more. Okay, everything's set. I spilled some foundation on my shirt a little earlier, so that kind of sucks because it is a bright white clean shirt, but I will be back. I'm gonna change my shirt real quick. Alright, I am back, got a new shirt on, all is well in the world again. So now I want to go ahead and use some face products because I'm looking a little flat, a little pale, so I'm going to go in with bronzer. And for bronzer today, I want to go ahead and use my NYX Matte Bronzer in the shade Medium. This is what it looks like, just a nice medium tone bronzer, and I'm going to bronze up with that. As for blush, I want to go in with this MAC blush, and this is in the shade Breath of Plum. It's just a really pretty kind of mauvey plummy shade, and I really like it. It's just a nice flush of pink on the cheeks. For highlight, I want to go in with the Maybelline Master Chrome Highlight in the shade 100 Molten Gold. Oh, you guys, can you see just the reflectiveness? This is just such a gorgeous shade. So pretty, and I really love it. I'm going to use the Luxie 522 Tapered Highlighter Brush to put this on my cheekbones. And I'm just going to go in. Now what I kind of like about this brush is that it applies highlight like very softly, and it doesn't apply too much, which I do like, because then you have like, a little bit more control over what your highlight's gonna look like. I love this highlight, you guys. It's so pretty. Definitely one of my favorites, if not my fave, from the drugstore. Gotta take a quick snack break. Gonna eat some of my rice cakes with some peanut butter. So good. Since the face is done, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray and just set the face. This is my favorite part, you guys. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with eyeshadow, and I kind of wanted to throw it back a little bit today, so we're gonna go ahead and use the toothpaste? I don't know, girl. I'm gonna use the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. I used to love this palette, and I still love this palette. It's really pretty, just very summery, and I haven't used it in a long time, and oh, it smells so good. First shade I'm gonna go in with is called Caramelized, which is that pinky peachy shade right there. And I'm just gonna put that through the crease. I really do love Too Faced shadows, you guys. They're so good. The next shade I'm going to go in with is called Puree. Also, I really hope that my mic is not doing anything weird. In my last couple of videos, it's been making like a crackly noise in the background, and I'm like, really, I'm not happy about it, and I don't know how to fix it, so I really hope it's not doing that right now. And if it is, I'm so sorry, you guys. I might just have to get a new microphone. So going in with Summer Yum, so just be patient with me, you guys, because that will take me a while to save up for, because the microphone I want to get is, if I were to get a new one, is probably around, I think it's around like 200 or so, so gotta save up for that for a little bit. I think I'm gonna take more of Puree and just put it all over the lid. Now I'm going to go into Charmed, I'm Sure, which is this matte brown shade, and just go into the outer edges and deepen it up a little bit. Now I'm going to go ahead and go in with the Stila Magnificent Metals in the shade Kitten Karma, and this is one of their glitter shadows. And I'm just going to kind of put that in like the center of the lid. So that's going to be it for the top part of my eyeshadow. Now I'm going to go into the lower lash line, and I'm just going to use a little bit of Puree, Summer Yum, and probably Charmed, I'm Sure, and just kind of smoke it out down there. I'm going to go in with that matte brown shade and my flat definer brush, and just kind of push this up against the lashes. You guys, these eyes, let me zoom you in. I'm loving this eyeshadow right now. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with mascara. On my top lashes, I'm gonna use Maybelline Lash Sensational, and on my bottom, I'm gonna use my Covergirl Lash Blast. Have there been any shows that you guys have been loving lately? Like anything new? Because I have been watching Westworld, and I really like it. I think it's just super interesting and just really crazy with their, you know, like futuristic technology and everything. And I don't know, I just find it interesting and I really like that show. But I am almost done with the second season, and then I'm not really going to be able to have anything to watch, so I'm looking for recommendations, you guys. So definitely, if you have like any new shows that have come out that you like, or just any like old OG shows that maybe I haven't seen yet, because like I've basically seen everything on Netflix, because I love Friends. I've been watching Friends for I think like 10 plus years. I was in like 4th grade when I started watching it, which was 14 years ago. Oh my god, holy crap. Yeah, okay, I've been watching it a really long time. So love Friends. I've watched all of Grey's Anatomy. Like, ugh, I love Grey's Anatomy, you guys. I've also watched Vampire Diaries and just a bunch of other different shows. But definitely my favorites are number 1, Friends, 2nd, Grey's Anatomy, and 3rd, ooh, it's a toss-up between Gossip Girl and 90210. I love those both. But anyway, like I said, if you have any suggestions on TV shows that you think I might like, because I like those types, and I do like, you know, quite girly shows too, like Gossip Girl and stuff like that. So yeah, if you have any suggestions, definitely leave them down below, you guys, because you can't Netflix and chill if you don't have anything to watch. I need to pick a lippy, and I'm not sure what I want to do for a lippy today. Okay, yeah, I like this color. Okay, so I'm going to use this Colourpop Satin, Ultra Satin Lip in Alyssa. I believe this was one of Kathleen Light's collaborations. She came out with like 3 different shades or whatever, and they were all beautiful. This is the look we came up with today. I think the eyeshadow is so freaking pretty. Like in person, it's even prettier than it's like showing up on camera. Like I feel like it's just really not showing up very well. Oh, but it is gorgeous. Loving it. So that's pretty much it for this video, you guys. I need to wipe off my hand before I get this on my white shirt. Anyway, I don't remember what I was saying, but basically this is it for the look. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me today, and don't forget to like this video if you did enjoy it, subscribe, turn on those post notifications, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!